Hello and welcome to today's video titled Chasing Illusions, Neptune's Influence on Relocation and Nomadism, part of the series Digital Nomadism, Case Studies with Canopus. A multitude of factors can prompt relocation, ranging from conscious decisions to unconscious influences. Conscious triggers often include the pursuit of better work opportunities, improved quality of life, or access to education and healthcare. Unconscious motivators, on the other hand, might involve a search for belonging, a desire for personal transformation, or answering a deeper soul-driven calling. And yes, these factors are intricately woven with astrological influences, shaping both the conscious and unconscious motivations behind relocation. Today, we are going to address a blend of two influences at the root of today's trend for digital nomadism and relocation. That of Neptune, the farthest planet in our solar system, and LeleaKuhonua, a minor celestial body at the very outskirts of our solar system. As you can see, Neptune's essence is idealization, dream, confusion, deceit, fabrication of reality, which manifests in today's world through mass media, the internet, and screens of all types. It often ends in deceit and a feeling of betrayal. As for LeleaKuhonua, it carries an energy closely aligned with Buddhism, finding home, inner peace, spiritual fulfillment. It is an excellent influence to experience, providing a deep sense of realization. Blending the two influences, we witness migrations, search for home and inner peace, both driven by the internet, mass media, and confusion. Importantly, Neptune's influence means that deception and confusion, idealism, are part of the journey. Let's learn from the past Neptune-LeleaKuhonua conjunction, which occurred in 1839. At that time, a young man expressed his interest in poetry, and as a result, his unhappy stepfather sent him on a voyage to Calcutta, India. The trip left a vivid impression that he later used in his poetry. That young man was Charles Baudelaire, author of The Flower of Evil. His famous poem, L'Invitation au Voyage, captures the essence of the conjunction. There, all is order and beauty, luxury, peace, and pleasure. Nowadays, there is a generational trigger occurring between the natal position of LeleaKuhonua and the transit of Neptune, prompting travel due to an idealistic calling. As the next conjunction approaches, this trigger happens sooner and sooner for each generation. Consistently, we observe a significant trend towards younger digital nomads. I myself embraced the nomadic lifestyle at the age of 41, having been born in the late 70s, thus responding to the calling. Through astrology, I realized what was going on, and it caused me to reevaluate whether I should continue traveling and helped me manage my expectations. That's it for today's short video. I hope you gain clarity on some of the underlying causes of potential relocation or digital nomad projects and have readjusted accordingly if necessary. I also hope this helped manage expectations when traveling or when booking a relocation astrology consultation. Here's where you can find me, first on YouTube for informative content. If you wish to book a consultation with me, please use the link to my Calendly page. Finally, if you want to visualize your astrological data produced by Canopus after a consultation or have a sneak peek at what the software is capable of, go to canopus.shinyapps.io/canopusviz. Thank you for your time and attention. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to learn about relocation astrology in the comment section below, and I will include all links to my services in the description. Until next time, bye-bye.